Small stair designs are having a major design moment, and for good reason. In tiny homes, every inch matters, and the staircase is no longer just a way to move between levels. It's becoming a work of art. These compact designs combine creativity, craftsmanship, and clever engineering to make small spaces feel smarter, bigger, and more beautiful. You won't believe how much function and style can fit into such minimal footprints. In a tiny home, stairs are often the biggest design challenge, but also the greatest opportunity. Instead of treating them as a limitation, designers are transforming them into multifunctional features that add storage, visual rhythm, and personality. From floating steps that double as shelving to spiral staircases that anchor entire rooms, each design tells a story of innovation and balance. One of the most popular trends in 2026 small home design is the hybrid staircase, stairs that serve two or more purposes at once. Imagine a staircase where every step is also a drawer, or where one side opens into hidden cabinets and cubbies. Some designs extend into bookshelves or display niches, blending storage seamlessly with structure. These designs turn an architectural necessity into a sculptural, functional centerpiece. Floating stairs are another favorite for small homes. Sleek and minimal, they use open risers and hidden supports to create a sense of space and light. The gap between steps allows light to pass through, making small areas feel airy and open. Combined with natural materials like wood, metal, or stone, they give a modern yet timeless look. A set of wooden floating steps against a white wall creates a warm visual contrast, while keeping the space uncluttered. For homes that need compact solutions, spiral and switchback staircases shine. Spiral stairs take up the smallest footprint, using vertical motion efficiently while adding visual drama. Modern versions use steel frames, wood treads, or glass balustrades for a lighter look. Switchback stairs, the kind that double back on themselves, offer both storage opportunities beneath and a stylish geometric appeal. When designed with thin railings and neutral tones, they feel elegant instead of bulky. Storage stairs have become the ultimate small space hack. Designers are turning understair voids into usable space. Everything from wardrobes to pantries, reading nooks, and even compact offices. Pull-out drawers beneath each step provide hidden organisation for shoes, books or everyday items. Built-in shelves along the side can hold decor or essentials, giving the entire staircase purpose beyond movement. It's functional design at its finest. Every step literally earns its place. Material choice defines the character of these stair designs. Natural wood brings warmth and texture, ideal for cosy interiors. Light oak or ash pairs beautifully with minimalist architecture. While darker walnut adds richness and sophistication. For a more modern edge, metal and glass combinations create transparency and lightness. Concrete steps, softened with smooth finishes or wood overlays, bring an industrial touch to compact urban homes. The key is harmony. The materials must flow naturally with the rest of the interior. The beauty of these smart stair ideas lies in their practicality. They prove that luxury and efficiency can coexist. That thoughtful design can make even the smallest spaces feel grand. When every inch is used wisely, a tiny home starts to feel like a bespoke retreat. And perhaps the most surprising part? Many of these stair designs are adaptable. You don't need to rebuild your home to incorporate them. Modular stair units, floating step kits, and customised built-ins allow anyone to bring these concepts to life, no matter the layout. It's the new era of small space innovation, where design is both beautiful and brilliantly functional. In the end, great stair design isn't about height, it's about harmony. It's how structure, light and purpose come together to create something meaningful in a small space. These designs remind us that even the most practical elements of a home can be art when designed with care. If you love small home ideas that blend beauty with smart design, make sure to like this video, share it with others who appreciate clever interiors, and subscribe for more inspiration on turning compact spaces into extraordinary living experiences.